Good morning, students. Today we will just do simplification of two rational numbers or irrational numbers and how to rationalize the numbers and when we will do the rationalizing. Yes, you know very well what are rational number and what are irrational number. Rational numbers are in P by Q form, while irrational number we can't write in P by Q form. So we can say if the statement is like this, or easily you can just say which by looking that which numbers are rational or which number are irrational. Can you tell me 2 minus root 3 is rational or irrational? Yes, as root 3 is irrational, so it is an irrational number. Irrational number. Okay, in the same way you can identify other also. Now how to simplify the 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. Two ways are there. How to do? As we does in algebraical expression, the product of binomials. As 3 first multiply by 3 minus root 3, again plus root 3 multiply by 3 minus root 3. Now open the brackets. That will gives you 9 minus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 3. Now these both are having the same terms but with the opposite sign. So these both will be get cancelled. So you will left with 9 minus 3, that is 6 is your answer. I think you understood how to do the multiplication in irrational numbers. Yes. Can you tell me what is pi? Pi is also an irrational number because though we say its value is 22 by 7, but it not the exactly value. It's is the ratio of circumference to the diameter of the circle. It's approximate value, so it is to be considered as irrational number. Now we will just learn how to rationalize the numbers. Irrational numbers, how to, when the answer is to be, when the any statement is in denominator in root form, we require rationalizing there. How to rationalize? First of all, if the statement is only single one in denominator, single statement, the same statement, rationalize the denominator, that is rationalize the denominator. So how to do? The single statement is multiply and divide. When you multiply 1 by root 2, you will get the root 2. But root 2 into root 2 will gives you 2. So it will become our answer. Where we do the rationalizing now? When we having any irrational numbers in the denominator. In the same way, let's learn about the two terms in the denominator. As the statement is 1 upon root 7 minus 2. So 1 upon root 7 minus 2. What you have to do? Rationalize the denominator. When two statements are there, you have to multiply the same statement but with the opposite sign. Now if you multiply by numerator by 1, you will get the answer as it is. Now see, in denominator always a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. It means root 7 square minus 2 square. It will give you root 7 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 4, that is root 7 plus 2 divided by 3. So it's your answer. Now check, your denominator is not in the root form. So rationalizing is required where? When we are having the root term in the denominator. Clear? Now I think you are able to do the exercise 1.5. So your homework is to do exercise 1.5. Okay, bye.